Hey, what's up? It's KJ. Now, every Friday, you know what it is. It's Free Movie Friday. Thanks to our friends at Adam Tickets. Keep listening to Win on 98.5 WYLT.